Kakadosh Boker Tov. We're just continuing with halachot of Pesach. We were talking about now the Bitoul Hametz. So if you remember yesterday, we already started mentioning that after the Bidikah on the night of Kal Chamira, on the night of before of Pesach, what we're supposed to do is immediately after we finish the Bidikah, we say Kal Chamira. Now we said that we say it in Aramaic, and then we also have to make sure that we say it in a language that we understand. And we said that we do it 3 times. Now one of those 3 times, it's good to say Veleve Efker Keafradara. What does that mean? That usually beforehand you're just saying Kal Chamira, which is any type of chametz. Now remember yesterday we mentioned Chamira includes in Aramaic also chametz and also seor, also the leavening agent and also the actual chametz in itself. In Hebrew you would have to actually split it up, chametz and seor, or in English you would have to actually split it up, the chametz and seor. But in Aramaic you do not need to split it up. Chamira actually includes both of them. So if a person says any type of chametz and seor which is in my possession, whether you didn't see it or you didn't burn it, or it should be batel, and it should be like the afar haaretz, it should be like the dust of the ground. Now, one of them is that you're making it batel. Another shita which is brought down is that you're actually making it ownerless, you're making it afker. And therefore it is good that at least one of the times, says Rav Vadia, that at least one of the times you do mention libatel veleve hefker kafradara. It should be ownerless like the afar haaretz. That's what we mentioned yesterday. And then again, the next day, all of a sudden you do it after the biur chametz. Again, you're going to do bitul chametz. You're going to annul the chametz after burning the chametz. But now you add in an extra phrase. Why? In the nighttime, we just said that you're only going to say which means, right, that the ones that you did not see, right, and you not burn. Why? Because you're not going to come and annul the chametz that you just found. Because if you annul the chametz you just found for the burning of the chametz, so the next day you're going to burn the chametz that's not yours. So you didn't do the mitzvah of biur chametz. So obviously, only after you've done the biur chametz, the next day, obviously before the time of the getting rid of the chametz, what you have to do, which I think is 12:02, what you have to do is you're going to say again the kal chamira. And this kal chamira is you're saying the chaziteh udla chaziteh, whether I saw it or I didn't see it. The viarteh udla viarteh, whether I burnt it or I didn't burn it. Because that is the way of doing the real bitul. Now what about getting a shaliach? So Maran brings down that a shaliach can do the bitul chametz for you. But he would have to say the chametz of so-and-so is going to be annulled. The Mishabura does bring down that there's a lot of people that argue on that, but they want to say that are you able to make something else hefker, somebody else's properties hefker or not? Then the question is it a bitul, is it hefker? He does bring down that in shata dachak you could rely upon it. However, though, it is better that the person himself should do it, and that's why Maran actually brings down that if a person is not in his house and he didn't appoint a shaliach, but he should always, wherever he is, he could do bitul chametz. So it doesn't have to be in his house to do bitul chametz. It could be anywhere, but he's just going to come and he's going to do the bitul chametz. And if he cannot do it, so therefore his wife should do it. So basically what we're trying to understand is, and the same halacha would apply to the burning of chametz. A person cannot burn the chametz. Fine, send somebody else to go. It's a 3-4 minute thing. How long is it already? Okay, you could say all the l'shem yichuds and iburosh ulams and everything else. Fine, but if you just come and you just throw it inside and you do the bitul chametz, it's not more than a 3 minute thing. So therefore, it's very, very important to pay attention that we have to do it ourselves. Whether it's going to be on the nighttime right after the bikat chametz or during the morning right after the biur chametz. And then if we don't do it ourselves, we can do it wherever we are. And if not, we appoint our wives or anybody that they would do the bitul chametz or the biur chametz for us. But again, obviously we should try to do as much as possible that we are doing everything ourselves.